Hi, my name is Jack Marsh with Innovative IDM. Today we're going to talk about Parker's new Parker Automation Controller, or PAC, working with a Yaskawa A1000 VFD over the Modbus TCP protocol. Parker's new automation controller, PAC, is a machine automation controller that utilizes the IEC 61131 programming standards, PLC Open motion block standards, and the EtherCAT network for motion and high-speed I/O. It also has built-in TCP functionality for Modbus TCP communications to external devices like VFDs or a little slower speed I/O. In order to make these devices work together, the first thing to do is to install the Modbus TCP option card in the Yaskawa VFD and configure the VFD using either the keypad on the front or Yaskawa's Drive Wizard software. Once that's done, we're going to create a project in the Parker Automation Manager software, add the correct protocols, the code to write the variables and information over to the drive, and we'll test it out. So the first step is to create a new project. We're going to use the standard project template. We're going to use structured text for this application. We'll let that open up. Once we're done with that, we need to add the Ethernet and Modbus channels to this device. So we're going to add a device, and it's going to be an Ethernet adapter. And then underneath that, we will add our Modbus master, because we want the controller to be a Modbus master. And underneath that, we're going to add our Modbus slave, and that's going to be our A1000 when we're all said and done. Once we've got our Modbus slave added underneath our master, we can set its IP address, and I've configured the A1000 to be 10.20. We'll give it a unit ID. We can add a channel for reading and writing variables to it, and we'll use function code 23 to do that with the correct offsets. This was 19 and 10. This was 0 and 3. We've added those. We can map our inputs and outputs. I've already done that in a different application, so we'll go ahead and jump over to that one. And we can see the application variables were created and already mapped to the right addresses. The code was written so that we could turn the drive on and off and set forward and reverse direction. Once that's all done, we can go online with it, tell it to run forward, change the speed, slow it down, speed it up, and see the output frequency and output voltage change as we do that. Tell it to run in reverse. Turn it off. And that wraps up our demonstration of the Parker Automation Controller talking to the Yaskawa A1000 VFD over Modbus. Again, I'm Jack Marsh with Innovative IDM, and you can download the application note and sample code for this project at our website at innovativeidm.com. Thank you.